Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing threading and preparing the function the thread will run. This is where you control inputs and outputs. Once done, wrap shared data access with a lock or use a queue so threads don't race each other. Make sure to keep each thread's task focused and non-blocking to avoid starvation. As you begin, create the thread object with target and args, then call start to begin concurrent work while the main program continues. You should actively manage threads after they start. Call join with a timeout when you need to wait, and check is alive to update status. Once running, capture exceptions inside the thread and send results or errors through a queue so the main thread can handle them. This prevents lost exceptions. Make sure to mark long-lived background workers as daemon if they must not block exit, but avoid daemon for tasks that require cleanup. Also, cleanup locks, you complete threading by signaling shutdown. Set an event or push a sentinel into a queue, then join each thread to ensure orderly termination. Once threads stop, validate shared state and release resources. If threads hang, profile where they block, add timeouts to lock acquisitions, and look for circular waits that cause deadlocks. If you still see poor performance on CPU-heavy tasks, consider switching to multiprocessing, because Python threads are limited by the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.